Hi everyone, today we got a PS4. Today we will increase our PS4 storage from 500 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. We will use SATA HDD case to use SSD. Fit the SSD in the case as shown. Now add the SSD to the PS4 to run it. Go to Devices. Now check in USB storage devices. Always connect to the SSD wire properly. Otherwise, you can also face the similar situation. As we can see now, the SSD is showing properly. Go to USB storage devices again. The SSD disk is active now. Before formatting, back up your data. We have also formatted the new SSD disk as external storage. Now we can both see the storage and SSD storage in the PS4. Solve the storage problems of PS4 in this way. Hope this video helped you guys. If did, make sure you subscribe this channel. You can also move the games from one storage to other. We will meet you in next video. Till then, bye.